My thighs are tan.
Gus, what are you doing? I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I used to poop on my sister when she was asleep. I couldn't stop laughing, dude. I tried to say it twice because the first time I laughed too hard. It's sometimes. I'm gonna put a raisin in this man's toothpaste. I'm gonna ding dong this man's house and run away. Oh man. Hey, your sock's untied. I'm gonna short sheet your bed.
What is that?
What it look like, man? I grew up in this. Right when they go to sleep, and then we go shopping, and we get all our presents and stuff.
Wake them up 10 minutes before 12 and say, open as many presents as you can before Christmas is over.
Anything you open past midnight, you don't get to keep.
Because I forgot to wake y'all up. Shoot, y'all got 5 minutes this year. Y'all better get it going.
Did you do that?
Do what?
Did you do that?
Did I do what?
Put this in my pocket.
Yeah, I just did.
That's not a smart idea.
Oh, I'm sorry. Holy crap. Stop. Good night, guys. Let's go throw hot dogs at other people. Throwing hot dogs at people. I'm gonna throw it at that car. Which car? The white one. Ready? John. Oh, you're not John.
It's the same guy.
Yeah. No way. It's the same. Dude.
Are you obsessed?
It's the hot dog man.
You know, I'm glad you told me about that hot dog.
Dude, we didn't even know it was him. Hey, could I offer to pump your gas for you? But don't buy it, just pump it for him. Wait. Let's see what you're putting.
Oh, just here to pump my gas.
Wait, we should wait till somebody comes so we can see the reaction.
It's stuck in there.
There's this hot dog stuck in the dip. They take their car to the mechanic and he's like, looks like you have hot dog in your fuel tank. Yeah, so I don't know what happened. My car just started acting up. Dang, my hair gets stuck in the door. Nuh-uh.
Yeah. You spray it?
No, don't spray it. Was that all?
Yeah.
Is that all?
I thought a whole dang hot dog went down it.
Amish.
She said we look like almonds.
Almonds. Whatever they are.
Cole eats a lot of almonds. 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 Y'all look like almonds.
Amish, whatever they are. What y'all do, y'all just ain't got the hat.
That's where that went. She didn't even look around, did she?
Don't even question because she's so old.
Mama, average white, comes and bites chomps on me. Come on, normal whites.
Bird, son.
Why is this so funny?
Hey, get out. Finish him.
Finish him. Finish him.
Very impressive. Very impressive.
Have you ever pooped in the shower?
Nope. You gotta stop it down the drain. Only on the beach. Of course, dude.
You have?
Yeah, I do the old wobble stomp.
That is so funny. You guys ready for this? Good thing my legs are in front of me. Dude, I just face plant right into the ground. Try it over here on the hard ground.
See to eat them.
Oh, the freaking juice on the inside burned my little finger.
That means they're done.
I think that means they're done. But we just keep the tree fort like right next to the fire. The little fort thing like slightly just melts. The kids come out the next morning and it's all just droopy. They're like, Daddy, what's wrong with my fort?
You can't even slide outside no more. It's flat on the
I know what it's like.
I don't use toilet paper. I just literally just grab my hand and just go. And I'm like, ooh. And you hear the little splat. That's all I do.
Yeah, I'm gonna make another one and do it again because I think it's really funny. Rap about being a snitch and snitching on people, calling the cops on people, biting my toenails. I'll rap about like how I like a long day at work, I get home and I bite my toenails. They're like they'll like feel it at first and they'll just say something like super freaking off the wall.
I've called the cops on every drug dealer I've seen.
Like when you were young, did you ever like were you scared of something coming out of the toilet and grabbing you or something? No? You never pictured like a hand coming up and grabbing you? My cousin
Grab you by the nuts.
trying to pull you down.
Hey, you go to jump up and get off the toilet and then move it back down.
Like what else would they grab you? You know?
Run their finger and it really make you get off the toilet. You're done.
There you go, buddy.
Just throw it in your
You
face.
dump the whole thing out into your hand and push it in my mouth.
I just saw my girlfriend use it, so she put it down. I didn't see her put the cap back on, like the plastic piece. So I went to go use it and scrape the shit out of my arm. It hurts so bad.
You just didn't see that it was still
I
on.
didn't see it. Yeah, I was like, what? Why would you put that back on there, man?